to enable or use live captions while you are in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can enable live captions in your Teams meeting. So if you want to transcribe the meeting, or let's say you want to have the captions enabled in order to get subtitles on the words that are being presented by the presenter, then you can easily enable the live captions. So how you do this is, once you have entered any particular meeting, you will need to click onto this more options right here at the top, and once you do this, you will have the second last option, that is language and speech. So simply hold your cursor over to this and it will show you a sub menu where you will have this first option, that is show live captions. And once you click onto this, you will see that the captions are enabled, and once the other viewer says, you will be getting captions like this. As you can see here, this says captions will be shown in English. So that's how easily you can enable the live captions in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.